Hello YouTube. What you're grazing is my washing machine. You see, it is spinning and it's currently turned on. Now it is running solely on solar power. See, there is the outlet, the AC outlet, plugged into an extension because the plug of the washing machine is short. So there is the outlet, and that outlet leads to my inverter. As you can see, the inverter says my battery is at, it's already topped off 100% at 60 hertz. That is not the only thing that is running. The washing machine is not the only appliances that is running today. While we're watching GMA News TV, a flash report. It's the flash report. It's a news. It's news. Tubong Revilla. And we are currently using my homemade box fan. See, where I am testing my process of testing my newly acquired battery. You see the first two, and that gray one there, 100 amp hour battery. Yes, they are mismatched, but that's all what I have today. Now I'm currently using my solar power, my battery for my washing machine right there. Currently, today is not a very bright day because it's going to rain, but still the panel produce enough power to charge my battery, and in turn my battery is running the inverter which runs my washing machine. Earlier today we cooked with our solar power with this rice cooker. Now the inverter is shouting that it's already off on the battery is already half full. Oh no, it's not half full yet. It's 100%, still 100%. It's a warning sign that the battery is dropping. Has a beeping sound already, saying that I need to turn off some appliances. So now it's going to under 92%. You see the changes, but it's just quite fast. So let's see how long my battery will last. That's all, YouTube.